making over 120 different types of sausage. And these days, the list keeps growing. This is Edelweiss Sausage and Delicatessen.
Currywurst coming up.
I saw Edelweiss on Triple D, and I had to come try it for myself, and it definitely lived up to the hype.
If you have gone to Germany and you fell in love with those foods over there, this is where you'll find them.
This is a multi-generational family business, thriving and doing great.
And started by George Baer, who brought all his meatpacking skills from Berlin and opened this place in '82. Then he passed that knowledge on to his sons, Tom and Tony. So it's the two of you?
Yep.
The two yous?
Yep.
Is your dad still involved?
No, he's not. He's down in Arizona.
Since the show, my brother is retired, so now it's just me, my kids, and my wife.
Thai chili jerky.
It's a family business, and they know how to do things right.
We're gonna make pizza loaf. First thing we need to do is make the emulsion.
We're gonna start with the back fat. We're gonna dice it.
Here in the Monster?
Yep. This is the ground meats.
The chuck and the pork shoulder. Now, ice.
We gotta keep it cold when it's blending. If it gets hot, it'll separate.
Gonna add the salt, sugar, and the cure, some dried mustard and smoked paprika, mace and cumin, cardamom and coriander, white pepper and garlic powder. Now we'll turn it up on high. Sun-dried tomatoes, crushed red pepper, toasted onions, fire-roasted bell peppers, pork shoulder. Now we'll add our Swiss cheese and our cheddar. The final step, we'll add our black olives, mix it for a minute until everything's well incorporated. We're gonna go ahead and put this in the loaf pan, 250 degrees for 2.5 hours. Now we're gonna slice a nice steak out of the pizza loaf, grill it, chop it up into some sticks, add some marinara, and it's ready to go.
Pizza loaf with the homemade marinara sauce.
The pizza loaf is phenomenal. It's got a little crunch on the outside. It reminds me a little bit of mozzarella sticks, but meatier.
It has such a nice flavor to it. It's really delicious.
You know what you don't see anymore is drive-in movie theaters. I mean, they're just not around. Record stores, you don't see those. And butchers, old school butchers. You know, ones where they're making the sausage and they're grinding it, the whole real deal. You just don't see them anymore. Well, that's unless you're here on Brigantine Island, right over the bridge from Atlantic City, New Jersey. Oh, you gotta check it out. This is Ernest & Son.
Turkey Club.
Everything's fresh.
Thank you, man. Thanks for coming in.
The quality and the consistency really does set it apart from other places.
4 minutes on the burger.
This is the first stop on the island when we come on.
So when you're coming into town,
Gotta hit Ernest.
And the guy behind the counter is owner and butcher Mel Cortellessa, who took over the place in '07, 30 years after it originally opened. Bro, this is like old school, old school. Who started this?
Ernie Storino was the original owner. His son, Sam, is who I started with. I started when I was 13, sweeping up, putting groceries on the shelves, and fell in love with it.
My dad and I started the store, and I felt very comfortable turning the store over to Mel, and know that the tradition would carry on.
So you're doing like real butchering here.
We do beef, veal, lamb, pork, fresh chicken, calves liver, we do everything.
I don't get my meat from the grocery store. I get it only here.
Guys, why don't you try some jerky? It's homemade.
This is the only place that I know of that makes homemade jerky.
My kids love it. They take it by the handful, and it's done within the hour. We have to come back.
All right, so what are we gonna make?
We're gonna make a mild beef jerky. We're gonna take our bottom round.
Also known as the gooseneck.
We're gonna cut it in half, get our piece, and we're gonna trim it up.
I like the knife skills, man. You're right after it.
It's all I've ever done.
It's a skill, brother.
So we got it all stripped up and nice.
Okay.
We got a little liquid smoke. That's what we start off with.
All right.
Love it. Soy sauce. Curry.
What was that?
This is curry.
Curry.
You know her, don't you? You got onion powder, and you got Carrie's sister, Ginger. You know her, don't you? All right, we're going in with Ginger. All right, so we're mixing it up, and sprinkling it on.
Okay.
We have honey. Then we got a little brown sugar.
Okay.
Then you got the Jamaican jerk sauce. So we're gonna mix it up.
All right. Are you known for your jerky? I mean, people come in and go, gotta get some jerky.
I don't know anyone else that makes it around here.
Okay, let it go, then we'll go to the dehydrator.
Yep. Jerky's been marinating 24 hours.
It's been what?
Marinating. Okay, you ready? And we're gonna lay it out.
And we're gonna let it go, how long did you say?
15 to 20 hours. So now we're gonna turn it on. Smell the aroma. All right, so now we got the jerky ready to eat.
Did you put anything else on it?
No.
Or is that just what happens?
That's what happens. Cheers.
Did you just cheers me to eat jerky?
Uh-huh.
It's not too dry, not over-seasoned. Just a nice balance to it.
A little hot, a little sweet, right?
Yeah. It's good jerky.
Great jerky. I'll have another piece.
The jerky is something that's great for tailgating parties.
It's delicious, and he has it from the spiciest you can handle to the more subtle, soft taste.
And the jerky isn't the only draw at this joint.
We're a seasonal community, so summertime, it's heavy on the sandwiches. 600-700 rolls in a day.
Seriously.
Seriously.
Big sandwiches, a lot of meat.
Tailgater.
Basically, it's a sausage and pepper sandwich with cheese on it.
He makes his own sausage.
The spices, the flavors, you can really taste that.
All right, what are we into? Some pork butt?
We're making Italian mild sausage for the tailgater sandwich, and we're gonna grind them. You ready?
Oh, we're not gonna put any seasoning on them?
No, we grind first. Maybe that's my secret. All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
Here we go. Then we're gonna throw it up top and regrind.
Okay, so you grind it twice.
Right, because it's a better mixture and a better look.
Got it.
Here's our ground Boston butt, ready for a little season.
Okay.
Paprika, nice little color. A little black pepper, salt, and this is my favorite. This is fennel. I don't get the seeds, I get it crushed.
Got it.
Smells like Good and Plenty. Remember the candy Good and Plenty?
It's licorice.
It's my favorite candy, too. Then we're gonna mix it.
We're using natural casings?
Natural casing.
Okay. Now we roll. Awesome.
Let it set overnight.
Got it.
We're gonna take a piece, and we're gonna drop the sausage in the deep fryer. Get the grill going. Now we're gonna start frying the green peppers and onions. We're gonna do it up with a little salt and pepper. We'll let that start cooking. We're gonna add the sausage. I like to cut the sausage open. Get it a little on the inside.
A little what?
Got some domestic sharp provolone.
Okay.
Once the cheese is all melted, we put it in a roll and it's ready to eat. There's a tailgater.
That's how you do it.
That's how we do it.
That's good sausage, man. That was really good sausage.
Thank you.
The key is that fennel.
You think?
Oh, and it gets great flavor all the way through it. And I like the fact that you let it set for a day before you cook it.
Sure.
The bread is nice, tender, but it'll hold it together. Salty provolone.
Good, right? Sharp provolone.
You like to eat.
I like to eat.
Real deal. I love
Appreciate it. Thank you. Tailgater.
The sausage are very, very tender.
The cheese is sliced right here in the shop.
Fresh rolls every day.
Thank you. Have a good day.
For folks who travel a lot, they have their oases, like favorite hotel, favorite car rental, and favorite restaurants. But for folks from the East Coast, it's not just favorite restaurants, it's favorite diners. And not just diners, but Greek family-run diners. Well, here's the Oasis in Charlotte, North Carolina, Landmark Diner.
Roast turkey.
Turkey and stuffing. Makes me feel warm inside.
I love the Reubens. Whatever you're in the mood for, from Italian to American, the Greek.
Greek salad's up.
Just really good home-cooked food here.
That head chef, Milton Palamides,
home fries,
picked up from his father-in-law, John Kultsunis,
Spinach Pie,
an ex-New Yorker who opened this joint 20 years ago with his brother Larry. A lot of Greek family diners here in Charlotte.
We're the first one over here.
The first to introduce Charlotte to Northeast Diner Classics.
Spinach Pie. Well, this is what I grew up on.
Oh, boy.
We start off with a little bit of vegetable oil,
White onions.
chopped green onions, and dill.
Dill?
Dill. Gives it a very unique taste.
So we swept this down,
Yes.
and what's gonna be our next step?
The eggs, mix them with my spinach,
Okay.
my feta,
Nice.
a little bit of salt, pepper, then the onion and dill mixture. We're gonna mix this up.
I'm liking the mixture smell.
Now here comes the
Phyllo dough.
little bit of olive oil, coat the bacon sheet.
Okay.
Now we're gonna start layering the phyllo dough. The olive oil,
You've got like 8 sheets, so nice big crusty bottom.
yes sir.
Okay.
Add a little bit of butter, and then we're gonna go with one layer of the mix.
Picasso, breathe between this, all right?
I'm breathing.
It's full speed.
Another layer of phyllo dough, a little bit of butter, another layer of the spinach mix. And start with the top layer.
Top gonna be like the bottom?
The top is gonna be more phyllo. And now we're gonna fold this over. I'll throw the last of the olive oil on there. Now I'm gonna cut this.
How many pieces are we getting out of this?
36 individual portions.
Okay.
Put this in the oven, around 400.
How long?
45 to 1 hour. We're ready to go.
Pull it.
We do need to recut this and get you a nice corner piece.
See, I like the edge.
Phyllo, yes, that was always my favorite.
That's great. The dill actually really makes that. You know what it does? It complements really nice with the feta. That's good, dude. It's simple, done right. I eat that again. I eat that. 36 more times.
Spinach pie dinner.
It's nice and creamy like quiche.
And I love the layers of the crust. Very tasty.
I'm here in OKC for a little pizza in the parking lot. Now, this isn't just a regular old pizza truck. No, this thing is a monster. And the oven, not any regular old oven. No, it's wood-fired. And the recipes, well, they're not your everyday recipes because they're handed down from generations. This is the Saucy Sicilian.
Tusa coming out, Nona.
My favorite.
Some of the best pizza in Oklahoma City, and I stand by that. I got this.
It's hot, it's fresh, and the flavors are on point.
And on 4 wheels, ever since Gannon Mendez left the corporate world to open a food truck.
Justin Palermo.
He wanted the best help he could find, so he asked his mom, Priscilla.
She was living in the mountains in Colorado, and I'm like, hey, I need you out in Oklahoma. Let's start a food truck.
He got me out of retirement.
OMG. You went
Old school Italian, just like my great-grandmother decided to use her recipes.
Trapagna coming out.
Yum.
The chapati pizza is outstanding.
It's got the prosciutto, it's got the figs, it's got some balsamic, and the wood fire that they do in there is amazing.
All right, well, let's get into this.
We are making our dough from scratch. A high gluten flour.
Got it.
Salt, water, and yeast.
So traditional pizza dough recipe.
Mix for 6 or 7 minutes. Put it in a tub to let it proof. This is my great-grandma's blanket.
Really?
Yeah, so it's like grandma's blessing. And we're gonna do 8-ounce balls.
How good are you at the portion game?
How good are you?
Where do you think you're at with that one? 8-6, do your picks. 8-4.
Bam.
8-0. Was it 3 cuts?
yeah.
8-4 cuts. Goes by the amount of cuts.
I see.
8-8. 7-6.
That's under. We never want to go under.
There's 8-1. I got it in 3, you got it in 4. But I mean, I'm not saying I'm better. I'm just saying that.
3 cuts, I believe.
Go back to the tape. Then that proofs for 3 days.
Yes, sir.
So you're getting that nice, big, yeasty flavor
Yeah.
dough. All right, chef, next step.
All right, we're gonna do our balsamic maple glaze.
Okay.
Balsamic vinegar. Bring it to a boil. Once it reduces down, we're gonna go with some pure maple syrup.
Get a little extra sweet.
That's it.
Time to make the magic happen.
All right, we're gonna do a little Caputo.
Can't argue that that's hand thrown.
Ricotta cheese with whole milk. Mozzarella. Some fresh figs.
I figured.
Roasted garlic. We like to put a lot on it. Roasted red pepper.
Beautiful.
And we'll slide it in the oven.
90 seconds. And what kind of wood are we using in the oven?
Pecan hickory.
Easy peasy. Bucky, I'm so spelt.
Cut it up here real quick. Top each slice with prosciutto. Turn it 1 time to the left. My mother says that is her superstition. The balsamic maple glaze.
Okay.
Drizzle it over.
That's good looking pie. I mean, it's just really delicious. The crust is the foundation, and it's out of bounds. Neapolitan pizza has to be in balance, and you give good portions, a good amount of prosciutto. It's an honest pizza, scratch-made, handmade, with a lot of family love in it. Well done. Look.
Trapagna pizza for Kim.
Thank you. The crust is very soft and crunchy. The figs were delicious.
The balsamic glaze is fantastic.
I heard about this family that started off in the fair business, and then they went and opened a restaurant. This is Grammy's Goodies.
Coming to this place is like going to your grandma's house.
Because Grammy's is actually filled with Grandma's recipes, which Vicky Corder, her husband Jeff, and their kids first started selling at festivals. And when business boomed, they expanded to a full-fledged restaurant.
Jeff's Original Cannoli.
I feel like all the food here is larger than life.
Sauce and lasagna.
Have you seen lasagna that big?
Not before, no.
It's the cheesiest lasagna you'll ever eat.
What are we starting with?
My grandmother's
Okay,
Sunday sauce.
okay.
Olive oil, pork ribs, and neck bones.
Any prosciutto?
No,
How did you know what that was?
because I'm Italian.
You call it prosciutto in Denver?
I call it prosciutto because
Oh.
I'm not
From
New
New
York. Garlic salt.
What's up next?
She made us put everything in the sauce in 3s because it blessed the sauce. Father,
So 1 garlic.
Son, Holy Ghost.
That's a lot of garlic.
That's the perfect amount of garlic.
I thought so too. That's what I meant to say.
Onion, parsley.
What about the Father and the Son?
I'm saying it to myself.
I want to be in on it.
Crushed tomatoes, fresh basil, black pepper,
And salt.
Tomato paste goes in.
And a lot of water. And how long is this going to cook?
About 3 hours.
What's up next?
Nana's meatballs.
Is Nana different than Grammy?
No, I called her Grammy. My kids called her.
Nana.
It's half pork, half ground beef. Mix it together.
Now, she taught you these recipes by you standing next to her, or did she just throw you right in the mix?
She had horrible arthritis.
Oh,
so
really?
I was her hands. Chopped onions, soft breadcrumbs, basil, garlic,
You guys love your garlic.
parsley, Romano cheese.
Salt.
black pepper, and eggs.
How many meatballs will this make?
About that tray's worth.
Okay, good.
They're about 1/3 of a pound.
Ooh, we're really coating the pan up, huh? So we're not just gonna bake them, we're gonna also give them a little pan fry. 350 degrees, how long?
15 minutes.
Next up?
Whole milk ricotta cheese, black pepper, eggs, fresh parsley, mozzarella provolone blend, and Romano cheese.
How many layers are you making?
Probably 6.
Okay, just shout it out when you know the answer.
You make me so nervous.
I'm just standing there talking. Granted, I'm questioning
the place of my origin.
Well, that we know is just a gigantic farce. Did you see that you're trying to kick me on Triple D? All right, Vic, let's see it.
Olive oil. We line our noodles up. It's got to be 7 by 7.
It's got to be 7 by 7.
Sauce. About half the cheese on this layer.
How much of the sausage is going in there?
All of it.
That's a lot of sausage.
The family that makes it has been in business for 100 years. They were friends of my grandmother.
Got it. Noodles again. Sauce again. Cheese again.
Meatballs.
Oh, this should be an interesting number.
A lot of meatballs.
Well, that can't be the real way, Vic. I think
It's
I'm being
12.
told a story. 12,
It's 12.
okay.
How many do I have in there now?
I have no clue.
Me either. Provolone. Noodles.
How long is this gonna bake? 4 years?
About 3 hours.
Whoa! That is a monster. Oh, the parsley made it healthier.
Yeah, eat your vegetables.
One small bite for man. So I know that this is the lasagna portion for the entire family. Lots of ricotta, delicious meatballs, tender pasta, dynamite sauce. You make this roll yourself also?
Yes.
Well, I'm gonna tell you what. This is old school American Italian, exactly the kind of lasagna I would expect to go and get at Grammy's house. Dynamite.
Lasagna for Lou.
In each bite, you get cheese and meat,